Hello, my crafty friend. We are here for round 2 of the bubble removal machine. We are going to see if a plastic cup versus the silicone cup makes a difference on how many bubbles actually get removed out of the resin. So buckle your seatbelts. Let's get crafting. Major shout out to my viewer, Diana Peach. She left a comment letting me know that she finds that using plastic cups instead of the silicone cups actually works better. So we're doing round 2 and gonna see how much better it actually does with the plastic cups. And she also mentioned cutting a silicone mat to help with spills. Ingenious. Because guess what? Under this mat, yep, sure enough, a spill. And then I put that instruction manual back in there and it got stuck on it. So, much appreciated for the great suggestions on there. I'll be using the Let's Resin again. These cups actually came with my Let's Resin Epoxy Resin. So, using one of their cups this time. I won't be pouring a lot this time. I think I'm just going to do 100 milliliters total. And I'm using these flexible spatulas that came with the most recent measuring cups I bought. Loving them. So easy to clean. Just get out a piece of tape and remove it with the tape. What I love about this community of artists, of crafters, is that we can share this kind of information with each other. I just find it really helpful because, you can't learn everything on your own. You can learn so much more from other people. So if you guys have any great advice or anything cool that you have found, please leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. You can see we got quite a few bubbles in there. Just going to pour half of this into the plastic. And then we'll start the machine up and see if using the plastic does help. Alright, the before. And now look, I already spilled. Oh, that mad idea is awesome. Okay. Alright, now we just need to get the lid on here. Make sure it's secure. Alright, just gonna get this thing plugged in. Make sure the lid's on tight. Then I'll start this baby up and come back. And I think we'll do the full 8 minutes because it says 5 to 8 minutes. We'll do the full 8 minutes on this one. So I'll be back. Time is up. Oh, and the silicone cup just squirted everywhere. Oh, awesome. Okay. Alright, just get this unplugged. Open it up. Use your thumbs. Use your thumbs. Got it. Oh my goodness, look what happened. It spewed. Let's get my alcohol wipe here and get that off before it dries. What do we have here? That did really well. Look, only a few bubbles on the top. This one spewed. That didn't do half bad either. There's a lot more bubbles around the rim than there are in the plastic. That did a lot better than the last one where, if you haven't seen it yet, check out the descriptions below. I'll have the link for the video in there. I guess it didn't help that I put a lot of bubbles in the last one, but this actually seemed to have helped. I'm just going to get the heat gun out real quick. I was afraid of that. I melted the cup. Really trying not to, but look at that. Using the plastic cup. There's one bubble I couldn't get. I should have stopped running the heat gun. I was trying to get rid of that one last bubble right there. I accidentally warped the cup instead. Be careful, don't do that. It's bad. Chemicals will get in the air, and I really shouldn't have done that. But, dude, I never would have thought. Yep, there's definitely more bubbles left in the silicone one. You know, after my first experiment with this machine, I really didn't like it. I didn't think it was worth the money because there were so many bubbles left, and there were bubbles stuck to the bottom of the cups as well in the first experiment. But after this, I like this machine. Check it out, one bubble. One big bubble. There are a few micro bubbles in there. But you know, I am gonna give that machine a thumbs up now. And see, I wouldn't have found this out if it weren't for you guys. Thank you so much. Takeaway, use the plastic. It helps the machine work. Who would have thunk it? Don't use the silicone. Especially after I saw it spew everywhere in there. Thanks. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.